Sun 606, a new projector released in 2022. It comes in 3 colors: almond brown, seaweed green, and white. It is beautiful. Let's check the design. The unit we're using in this video today is white. It's all made of plastic, but it's so shiny and elegant, and that is because it has a glossy UV coating applied to the whole body. So on the front there's a lens. The focus wheel is on the top, just behind the lens. The power button at the top. All the ports are at the back. There's 2 USBs, 1 HDMI, as well as an audio-video input. It has this nice, cool-looking leather strap for holding. At the back there's one single 5-watt speaker, which sounds pretty awesome. And right here behind these grills are ventilations. This model has 3 fans, and the whole light path is sealed up. So from the LED all the way to the lens, everything is sealed, so there's no way for any dust to get inside of it. So it is an LCD projector with a 4-inch display panel. Its native resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels, which makes it full HD. It has lots of details, lots of pixels. Even the smallest text is very sharp. Okay, the projector has an LED light source, and the total brightness is 220 ANSI lumens. Next, let's talk about the operating system. It runs on the latest AOSP Android version, which is 9.0, which means it's a smart projector. You can install all kinds of apps like Netflix, YouTube, and others. This is what the home screen looks like. Unfortunately, it doesn't have DRM, so the only option for you to watch Netflix is by installing an old version of this app. YouTube works well. Let's try to open YouTube. Okay, yeah, it's open and it's loading videos. Let's try to play one. Let's say this one. Okay, it's working. Let's head back into the launcher. In the settings, you will find a few settings like Wi-Fi is right here. You can connect it to your external Bluetooth speakers via Bluetooth. And inside display, you can find things like keystone adjustments. It's right here. Okay, let's jump back into the File Explorer and open my video. Let's see what a video looks like. So here it is.